Yeah! Get him! Get him! What's going on in here? You know the rules. No games allowed. Now get to class. Understand?
What? Anything but math class.
That's right. It's cool. We can still have fun. Check it out.
Really?
Made it myself. I'm crafty like that. Let's go. Pull and release.
Whoa!
Yeah, nailed it!
Let's get out of here. Whew, made it just in time.
Howdy, Mindy.
Take a seat. My bad. Must have slipped.
Yeah, so slippery. I'm fine, don't worry. Eyes up here.
Or eyes on this.
Huh? Oh boy. Oh yeah? Nice try, unruly students.
What? Oh, it's on now. Ready? Let's take things up a notch, shall we? Let's go!
Whoa! That's crazy! How are you doing that? Hey! Watch the hair, will ya? Nobody outsmarts me!
You sure about that?
Enough playing! Now get to work! You heard the man. Work it is. Lucky for me, I've got all the math essentials. What the? Look at all that stuff!
Huh. Forgot I had this. And this.
How do you remember anything? What a mess.
Awkward. Where's my binder?
Let's get organized, folks. Starting with some cardboard. But it won't look like cardboard for long. Is it starting to look familiar yet? Aw, so cute! Avocado friend! And your favorite organization buddy! Hey, check it out! I made it for you! Here you go! Hey, not so fast! It's for your pens and pencils! See?
Oh, I gotcha! Set it down here! Now I can find just what I need. Ready? Set.
Jeez! Okay. Whoops! Can't find ya!
There! Hey, see that over there? I bet I can hit it from here. Yeah?
Wait! You can't! No!
I sure can! It's all about hitting the target.
Oh, both shoes? Don't do it! Mindy, no! Yikes.
Oh no! My target! No!
Mindy? Are you okay? Hello? Anybody home? Whew, this ought to wake her right up. Get a whiff of that. Yeah?
What just happened?
You just woke up.
My head's killing me.
This'll make you feel better. Allow me to assist you. Ta-da! The ultimate launcher.
Who says?
Prepare to be impressed. Ball is secured. Perfect. Now for the launch.
Whoa! That's sick! Let me try!
Easy there, okay? You got this!
Yeah, that's right, baby!
Awesome, right? Oh. What's up? Guess what? Math test time! Now focus.
I already got it done.
Sheesh. I completed mine too. Or at least I thought I did. Wait a sec. I was just about to score. I was so close. And then the dragon came out. And I had to save the entire castle. And I totally forgot about the test! I guess I got a bit distracted. You know what that means? An F? Is the minus really necessary?
Yikes. Let me help. We all get distracted sometimes. You just need to learn to prioritize. And for me, that means making a list. But not just any list. A super cute list. Writing things is way more fun this way. You like? Happy list making!
Wow, I love it! First things first. Breakfast before anything else. Come to school. What else?
Maybe do your homework?
There! That ought to do it! This was so helpful! They're perfect. Just like you.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
I feel so productive. There!
Okay. Take that! This game's getting boring.
How about now? Things are getting intense!
Are they? Ugh, whatever.
Aw, is this more stimulating?
No. But this, maybe? I mean, how hard could it be? That didn't end well. Hey, look! Oh yeah! Check it out!
Woohoo! Whoa, you're good! Go, Mindy, go!
Oh no! It got away from me! My bad! Oh geez, not the pens! This is pretty bad. Oh no, not the trophy! So bad!
Oh, that one hurt.
I'm gonna be in so much trouble.
Wait, I got this. They say nothing's unfixable. Especially when cardboard's involved. Hot glue doesn't hurt either. I sure hope I have enough. There! Looking good. Green. My favorite color. Gotta make sure it stays shut. There! Looking good. Don't you think? Made with my own 2 hands.
Ooh, wow! Very cool! Gotta keep this thing safe for the very best teacher. Yay! There he is!
Good after. Hey! My desk! Who did this?
Well… don't be mad. I got you this.
Huh? Oh! So shiny! Thank you so much! You're too kind!
A pie? No? Okay then.
I can't feel my fingers!
Oh, I'm melting in here. I need it colder. Now! Okay, now that's more like it.
Are you kidding me? Must get heat! Please! This is too cold in here! Oh, thank goodness. So much better!
This must be what the Sahara Desert feels like. No way! I need air! Whew.
No! Oh, that's too cold!
Let go!
Just give it to me!
No way!
Uh-oh.
Now what? Wait, this is bad! Look at that heat! Oh, I need water.
Tell me about it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, my cup! This is the answer! But I'm not using it for water. But it is gonna help cool us down. Just a couple spins here. This way, it's nice and tight. We want lots of spins, baby. And levels, too. Ready? Some relief is on the way. So nice.
Ugh. Let me in on some of that.
Share? I guess. Here.
Oh, thank you. Look at that thing go. Ah, sweet relief.
Excuse me. Care to share?
Ah! Help me! Alright, kids, I'm back. Vacation's over.
Get off!
Hey, it was fun while it lasted. You guys like cats? Cute, huh? Oh, I get it. What are we working with here? Ding, ding, ding. You alright over there? Don't sweat it, I gotcha. Just watch and learn.
I have to make a cat? Okay then. Watch this. Whoa, what am I even doing? Okay, this ain't it. Well… Nope.
Ugh. Do you mind?
Oh, sorry about that.
Look at all this trash. Here's something real for ya. In you go. Got paper trash? No problem here. Done and done. Here you go.
Is that for me? Alrighty. I'm all about that recycling life. Fill her up. I've got plenty to go. Phew, that was quite the cleanup. So handy. Oh no.
Okay, folks. Hand them over.
Okay, let's catify this bad boy.
Good heavens! Magnificent work!
Yeah, I know.
Yay! Bubbles! I love bubbles on the wind! Popping them is great! Here, let me blow some more! Yeah, that's right. I made this bubble blower myself. It wasn't that hard either. I used a highlighter, removed the ink and the tip. Then I needed some wire. I twisted it, then added some hot glue and put it in the container. Then it was just adding the bubble mix. Let's give it a try. Ta-da! It works! I love test day. I hope my students are ready for it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. None of this is making sense to me. Miss, I have a question! I need help! Ahem. Please read the note on the blackboard, Julie. The time for questions is over. The test is about to begin. Oh, right. Sorry. I was just practicing for a regular class day. Sure. Whatever you say. Hey, I'm here to take the test or whatever. What a drag. I can't believe I have to be here for that. She seems like she's got it together over there. Maybe I'll just scoot my desk a little closer to her. Miss! She's moving her desk too close to mine! Alright, time to start the test. Get going! Okay, I can do this. Just gotta answer the questions. Just gonna stretch before I start. Good thing I packed this cheat sheet with me. Ahem. What do you think you're doing? That's what I thought. A cheat sheet. Give that to me. Now get back to work and finish this test. Okay, well it's not like that was my only plan. Don't even think about it. I'll take that. Come on! She's like a ninja teacher! It's kinda cool, though. Alright, what the heck am I gonna do now? Okay, well, maybe I'll just open my pencil bag. Thank goodness I added one last cheat sheet in here. Hey! What do you have there? Oh my, another cheat sheet! Give that to me. Here, take your writing implements. My pen. Maybe I could do something with that. Yeah, I think I could make that work. First, I'll need to heat my blade using this candle flame. There we go. It's nice and hot. Now to use the knife on the pen. It's going right in. I'll also need 2 toothpicks and a rubber band. I need to wrap the rubber band around these toothpicks. Okay, now I can just slide my cheat sheet through the slice I made. And now my toothpicks will help me wind it up. And then I can just put the pen back together. Perfect. Yeah, that would have been a great thing to make. Oh! Right, the test. I better get to work. Yes! I'm totally balancing this clock on my arm. Hey, that's it! Test time is over. Pencils down, please. I love test days. Yay! I totally rocked this test like I thought I would. Wait, the time's over already? I didn't get anything done. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna sit here too. Ugh, why can't I get this lotion out of the tube? Come on! This is being so dumb and frustrating. I'll just squeeze it super hard. Hi-ya! Ah! What the heck are you doing? Oops. You got your lotion all over my hands and bag! I think my bag might be ruined. No! Listen, it'll be okay. We can fix it, I promise. I'll be right back. I can't believe she's just abandoning me. There's so much lotion on here. This is a huge mess. Okay, I can fix this. Got a cardboard tube and some glue. That should be enough. Now I have some paper to roll it up. Okay, that's good. I'll use scissors next and cut the ends. Just a few more. Time for some more glue. Now I can fold these ends in and glue them down too. My poor bag! Maybe I can just wipe this all off. Huh? What's she doing over there? Oh, she's trying to clean it off. I better get back to work on this. She's still upset. Okay, those edges are all glued down now. Next up, markers for decorating. I'll use this yellow. Ooh, this is turning out great so far. Maybe this vacuum will help my bag. Oh, hey! Let's move my bag, you dumb vacuum! Yikes! It's out of control! Stop it! Stop it right now! Give that back to me! It's mine, not yours! Wow, she's really going all out over there. Just gonna draw a cute little slice of citrus fruit. I'll outline it too, to really make it pop. Eee! So cute! I love these fruits so much. I'm gonna add a cute little friend for them too. Also, this strip of yellow paper at the top now. Nice. I'll add more. Time for some more decorations. Gotta be careful with my bubble letters. I'll color them in. This blue is pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, letters are just about done. Now I need this corrugated cardboard paper. I'll use it to close off this end of the tube. Then top it with more paper. Okay, here's the squeeze top for the lotion tab. Some more glue here on the edge of the topper. And glue it onto the top. Now for these patches of Velcro. They'll go on the inside across from each other. Now they can keep it closed, or you can squeeze to open. The pencils can go right inside and then be safe. Wow! I am legit super impressed with what I made. Come on, baby hand. You can get off the lotion. I know you can. Hey, Julie! I'm back and I've got something for you. Oh, she's in baby hand zone. Hey, Julie, snap out of it. Come on, pay attention. This is important. Hey, it's a new pencil holder for you. Aww, that's so cute! I absolutely love it! Thank you so much! Here, you can have my old pencil case too. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I did. Oh, sure, I guess. Thanks, I suppose. As you can see, the colors of this painting are just divine. They evoke summer nights and the feeling of temptation. Oh! Okay, are you ready to get started? Let's do this! Don't worry, class. I'm okay. Art can be dangerous, that's all. Now get to work on your own canvases, please. I'll be up here if you have any questions or need any pointers. Alright, I'm ready to make some of my own art. Excellent. I'm really feeling these colors. I need even more of these colors for my work. Colors! Give me the colors! More! These colors and these ones too! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Yes, that's the passion I like to see in my classes. Looks like I'm out of ink in this one. I'll just grab another one. Huh? Where did they all go? Hey, she hogged them all! Well, now what the heck am I gonna do? Some more of this over here. Yes! Exquisite! This is ridiculous. How am I supposed to work without any supplies? Wait a second. I think I've got an idea. Here I go. I love these little coloring books. Just gotta sneak up here. I gotta take them. Yoink! Oh, I thought I heard something. Where did my cotton swabs go? My ears are itchy! Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Calm down. Everything will be fine. There. I've got my spare supplies. I'm good. Okay. First stage of my plan was a success. Now to get to work. Gonna wrap this cotton swab with this tissue paper all the way around. And now it's time for some washi tape. Ooh, I really love this purple polka dot one. So pretty! Now to just wrap this around the swab. It's looking great. But what I really need is color. Like this food coloring. I'll just drip the cotton end into the color. I'll give it a little test on this piece of paper. I saved my art project! And why make just one when I can make a whole rainbow? Alright, back to work I go! Zoom! Hello, artwork. I missed you. But I'm back with more color. I'm the best artistic genius ever! There. I think this might be my masterpiece. Alright, class. Let's see your work for today. Here's mine. I absolutely love it. Mine is an expression of the dread one feels on a dark stairwell. Okay. Let me take a closer look here. Okay. I see your use of blue and highlights of orange here. Okay. You have a collection of strokes. Oh, what's this? Where did these little art sticks come from? Excellent. I love them. Very good work, my dear. I'm gonna borrow this if you don't mind. Oh sure, I guess that's no problem. Oh right. My journal entry that I was working on. Ugh! Oh my gosh, what was I doing? Oh, look at that pen! So cool. That's my favorite. No way. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, that's it. Let me check my money situation. I'm sure I've got enough to afford it. Whoa, girl. Yikes. That's a lot of coins and not much cash. There is this old pen. I'll be right back. Okay, this thing isn't cute. I better take some measurements here. Give it a trim too. I'll put a dab here at the end, and then slide this plastic cap over it. Now for some foam. Another line of glue on the edge of this foam piece. Then I need to wrap it around the ink tube. Want to keep it nice and straight and tight too. Then I'll use this little tube to make circle indentations on the foam. More glue time! Glitter and sparkle time. Gonna pour all these pretty bits into the tube. And I'll need liquid too. Let me cap this end too with more glue and foam. Next, glue on the actual pen parts too. I can add the glitter tube to it now. Oh gosh, how cute is this little unicorn? Let's add you to this too. More glue. You're gonna live right here on the top, Mr. Unicorn. Yay! My fancy, beautiful pen is complete. Hey, Julie. I've got something for you. I made you a pen. What? Oh my gosh! I love it so much! You're the best friend I've ever had! Hold on a second. I've got something for you too. Here, I made you some origami. Wow. Okay. Thanks so much. Yeesh, she's not good at folding paper. Whoa! Look at all those sparkles! Amazing! It's the best pen ever! What kind of painting would you make? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.